Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to take you one by one through how to buy a Tubebuddy package. Tubebuddy is a rated YouTube video optimization and management toolkit. Those who want YouTube growth, here you are. I'm an affiliate member. This is my link, my affiliate code. Once you use my code, you will get 30 or 20% depending. As per now, we are on Black Friday, you will save up to 40%. So act soonest till until the offer comes to an end. So we'll come to this package. This is my affiliate link. Tubebuddy stroke lifestyle tutorials. We'll click into it. Upon clicking into it, you will see Tubebuddy, your best friend on road to YouTube success. Tubebuddy accelerates the growth of your audience and achieves your YouTube dreams. It is free to install. We can see it is free to install as it says here, and we can see that's the way it is. So we can see Black Friday save up to 40%. We'll say save today. We'll be able to pick that package. It tells us 40% discount plan on annual plans. We know it takes commitment to make your YouTube channel succeed. That's why Black Friday we're offering 40% annual Tubebuddy license, giving you the tools you need to help your channel for a full year. It expires on 11/27/2022. So 30 days money back guaranteed. It's very legit. So it tells me these are the packages of the pricing. We have a pro package, a star package, and a legend package. So for a pro package now, it is going for $1.8. For those starting their YouTube journey, wanting to get succeed of the new toolkits, here you have the offer. You are saving up to $14.4 annually. Or just being given this 40% discount on Black Friday. 5.6 for the content creator looking to achieve maximum efficiency and time saving. YouTube, being a rated video optimization and management toolkit, it helps you to bulk update your videos and rank higher in the search engine and optimize the video tags. So we'll be able to pick this tire that says save 40% yearly, and we'll come here and install free on Chrome. So we'll first accept, and we'll be able to sign in. Once we are able to sign in, we are using this my Google account. So I know it is taking sometimes to log in. It has to log in so that we are talking with real people. So you don't have to add any channel linked to the account that are available to be the tire license to. It's possible to continue with the purchase without selecting the channel, but we recommend that you add the channel first using the add button. So the channel that we are adding will come here and type our YouTube channel, so that we will be able to pick the channel that is associated with this Google account. It showed us it is first ethical to first add the YouTube channel linked. This is the YouTube channel, so we'll go to the channel itself. So we'll go to sign an account. This is the channel that we are talking about. So we'll say to switch to a channel. So we can see Charles has been added. So we'll come here and first add a YouTube channel. The best advice is first we come and add the channel. We can see, as we are operating here, we can see Tubebuddy stroke lifestyle tutorials. So this is I'm buying using my affiliate link. So ensure you go in the description link, click my link and you'll be able to buy Tubebuddy using my link. So we'll come here and we'll see your channel. Once we come to your channel, we'll pick the URL of the channel. Then we'll go to save today. Once we go to save, it tells us 40% offer. We go to save yearly. So in saving yearly, we'll be able to sign up. We'll be able to install free in the Chrome, and add the Chrome extension, and we've added the extension has been now been added. So it will be easy. It will be very easy to access Tubebuddy tools. So we'll go here, install. As the update is installing, we'll be able to sign up with the Google account. So this is the said Google account. It will tell us to the next time. It will take time to choose an account to continue with Tubebuddy, where Tubebuddy will be registered in. So we will see. The first thing is welcome to Tubebuddy. Here are 3 steps. It says we manage your extension by clicking in the tool menu. Okay, we'll be able to manage it. Welcome. Here are 3 steps to get started with Tubebuddy. Create an account, add a channel, learn the basics. We need to learn add the channel associated with it. So we'll come here and add the channel that is associated with this Tubebuddy. So that using my link, you will be able to get a discount, a 50% of discount. So this is a channel that we've added, financial literacy. We'll come here and allow, and I'm sure now it is added. It is added. We'll tell it allow, and it is redirecting us. Here is a financial literacy. We'll come here and confirm if we are using. Oh, we'll come here. It give us here an option to add the channel. This is the channel that we are using. So we'll say allow. We can see here that pro pricing 2022 season yearly tells me the channel is financial literacy. We'll come here and use the PayPal so that we'll be able to buy for the subscription. Hello, we'll come here. We are making the payment via PayPal. It says use the PayPal balance first, or change to using the card. We'll say use the PayPal balance, because my PayPal has a balance, and it tells me it's processing, and tells me order completed. Thank you. Your order is completed. And after that we'll say simply refresh the browser on on YouTube, and you will see financial literacy has been upgraded. Click here to go back to the account dashboard. I'm sure that the tutorial was very educative. This was it. It was it. I told you here I'm a YouTube affiliate member. Use my link in the videos. You'll get my affiliate link here. Here it is, and upon using it, you will be able to you'll be able to get 50% off discount, or depending with the discount that Tubebuddy will be offering at the moment at your moment of registration. So here the channel is called Financial Literacy, and I'm sure we can see the license now is Pro license. Thank you for sticking to my YouTube channel, lifestyle tutorials. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now I am sure once I come to my channel, I'll be able I'll be able to get the features that Tubebuddy is offering me, and it will be good. I'll be able to. We can say financial literacy has a license that is Pro. we'll be able to keep learning their features so that we'll use Tubebuddy, the rated YouTube video optimization management toolkit, to access the growth of your audience and achieve your YouTube dreams. Free to install, bulk updates for your YouTube, rank in the search engine, and optimize your video tags. Thank you for sticking with me to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Ensure you like the video for YouTube to suggest this video to other people who may be interested and to boost it in their algorithm. So thank you, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.